Do you ever walk into your kitchen and cringe at the sight of your outdated cabinets? Has entertaining at your place become more of a hassle than a joy due to the embarrassment you may feel when someone enters your kitchen? Kitchen remodeling projects can require a lot of time and money out of your pocket. You want to be sure that any decisions made on this project will suit your home. We at JSB Home Solutions have been remodeling Central Ohio kitchens for the last 45 years. We have expertise in two primary forms of cabinet renovation: cabinet refacing or complete cabinet replacement. When giving your kitchen a fresh look, the choice between refacing and replacing cabinets can be pivotal. In this video, we'll dive into the details of both processes. We'll explore the timelines, cost, and benefits of refacing and replacing kitchen cabinets. And by the end of this video, you'll be able to make an informed decision on whether replaced cabinets or refaced cabinets are best for you, regardless of what contractor you choose to work with. What is a refaced cabinet? Cabinet refacing is where your installation crew will use the original box and maintain the cabinet's original structure. The original cabinet box will be covered with whatever materials are needed to update the surface of the cabinet. Most refacing projects are going to remove the actual doors that are on the cabinet. They will also remove the drawer front, the drawer box, and the drawer glide. The cabinet door will be replaced entirely with new hinges, while the drawer will be an entirely new drawer front, drawer box, and drawer glide. Different companies offer different surfaces for refacing a cabinet. For example, at JSB, we use a 1/4-inch hardwood panel that gets pin nailed to the original box for refacing. Other remodeling companies might provide an 1/8-inch laminate that is glued to the cabinet surface. The surface of your refaced cabinets could be anywhere from a veneer to an actual piece of hardwood. Refaced cabinets can be a relatively quick process that can save a homeowner time on their remodeling project. That being said, they, like any process, have positives and negatives to consider when implementing them. Timeline of refacing cabinets. The timeline of refacing cabinets is efficient, as the process can be done in as little as 3 days. Your installers will come in and remove the old doors, drawer fronts, drawer boxes, and drawer glides. After the removal process is finished, the installers will start refacing your cabinets. All of the 1/4-inch S4S, what the hardwood is called, will come in an 8-foot section, and they're cut to size on site. Once the cabinets are refaced, the installation crew will put on new doors, new drawer boxes, new drawer glides, and new drawer fronts. If you're getting new countertops, your countertops will be installed first prior to the reface taking place. The cost of refacing cabinets. The cost of refacing your cabinets will vary drastically due to the quality of material being used. Most of the time, the options are an 1/8-inch veneer with a fiberboard or particle board door versus a 1/4-inch hardwood panel with a true hardwood door. The cost of the project will vary based on what company you're using to remodel your kitchen and what materials are being used. You can save money with a reface, but the difference is not huge. Generally, you can save anywhere between 5 to 15% by choosing to do a reface. The benefits of refacing your cabinets. What are the benefits of refacing my cabinets? Well, does this situation describe you? Let's say that you had beautiful new quartz or granite countertops installed just a few years ago, and you love them, and you have no desire to replace them. Well, you are in luck. A reface is a perfect option for you. One final benefit to refacing your cabinets is the ability to still make alteration to cabinet layouts. For example, if you have a cabinet with a single drawer and 2 doors, but you want that cabinet to have 3 larger drawers, in a reface, that can still be accomplished. What are the drawbacks of refacing? The biggest drawback of refacing your cabinets is that the inside of the cabinets do not change. When you open your cabinet, what you will see today is what you will see after the reface. If you do not like the inside of your boxes today, you will not like them when the reface is completed. Another drawback of refacing is that you cannot change the physical location of the cabinets, as the boxes are all remaining in place. The alternative to refacing your cabinets is to replace your cabinets completely. What are replaced cabinets? The replacement process of updating your kitchen cabinets involves removing the old cabinetry from your kitchen and replacing them with brand new cabinets. Replacing your cabinets is a more significant undertaking than refacing. The process generally costs more and takes longer to complete. On the flip side, the cabinets that will be installed are brand new. The higher price tag and renovation time are worth it for many homeowners. Replacing your cabinets is a worthy investment for homeowners who are okay with the timeline and the cost. Weighing the advantages and disadvantages can help you figure out if replacing is the right solution for you. Timeline of replacing your cabinets. Replacing your cabinets will take at least 2.5 to 3 weeks to complete. Longer projects can go as long as 4 to 5 weeks. The timeline all depends on the scope of work involved. The installation crew will come in and remove the old cabinets off the wall. As the homeowner, you can keep the cabinets if you want. Otherwise, the crew will dispose of them if you choose not to keep them. While the cabinet installation is going on in the home, the countertop company will measure for the countertops and begin to fabricate the stone. This process takes about 5 days. While this process is happening, your installation crew will put down the existing tops or plywood on the new cabinets and hook up a temporary sink so that you can still have a functioning kitchen. When meeting with remodelers, ask if they will do this temporary sink for you, because many companies will not do this. Most companies just will say you'll be without a kitchen for as long as the process takes, which could be weeks to even months. Once the new countertops are installed, the installation crew will return to hook up the new plumbing, the new garbage disposal, the new faucet, and finish by completing the backsplash. The cost of replacing the kitchen cabinets. The cost of replacing your kitchen cabinets is determined mainly by what you, the homeowner, will choose for your kitchen. Most full replacement remodels with JSB will cost around $35,000 to $50,000. A full kitchen remodel at JSB typically includes all new cabinets, all new countertops, a new faucet, and a new backsplash. Other elements like lighting and flooring can be completed. Benefits of replacing your kitchen cabinets. A benefit of replacing the cabinets in your kitchen is that you can do whatever you want to do with the space. It is a clean slate, a fresh start, and it's all completely brand new. You can put cabinets where there aren't any cabinets, and you can change the layout of your kitchen to a certain extent. When JSB Home Solutions replaces your cabinets, you get custom Amish-built hardwood cabinets. The cabinets are built by hand and not mass-produced. They are made to fit your exact wall measurements to ensure that the space is most effectively used. Every cabinet will have a lifetime warranty from the manufacturer and our limited lifetime craftsmanship warranty as well. Drawbacks of replacing your kitchen cabinets. The biggest drawback of entirely replacing your kitchen cabinets is the price. Budgets are a real thing, and they can make or break whether a project is done. We want you to be pleased that you renovated your kitchen comfortably within your budget. Kitchen remodeling projects are investments in your home, and we want to be sure that you are making the best investment for you and your family. Another drawback is the timeline of a full kitchen replacement. With a more extended project, problems can arise. Cabinet constructions could be delayed, or the installation crew could discover pre-existing plumbing issues that needed to be fixed. Deciding on refacing or replacing your kitchen cabinets. In the quest for a kitchen transformation, deciding between cabinet refacing or a complete cabinet replacement can be a difficult decision. The decision hinges on your preferences, budget constraints, and the desired impact on your home. You can choose the efficiency of refacing your cabinets or the comprehensive transformation of an entire cabinet replacement. Either way, we at JSB Home Solutions are here to help. We specialize in both refacing or entire cabinet replacement, and we would love to help you navigate which option is best for you. Please reach out to us at 614-623-2895 or visit us at jsbhomesolutions.com to schedule your free in-home consultation.